told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
This is Warren's, the most beautiful business district in Barbados, hands down. Look at that. If you were to ask me the most beautiful city in Barbados, then it's this one, Warren's, one of the fastest developing areas in the country. If you were to stand on a cliff somewhere, you will enjoy the view of the skyline and you will actually appreciate it. Traditional building height restriction in central Bridgetown area has led to many companies in Barbados choosing to relocate in this Warren's area for the high-rise complexes. Government offices here too in this area. I know of the Ministry of Labor, I don't know other government offices. Maybe you might identify them. In this video as we progress, is about 6.3 kilometers from Bridgetown, the country's capital, and about 20 minutes drive. If you are a team ambulation, you might take 2 hours walking. By the way, it's located in the parish of St. Michael.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I can taste all the highs and the lows.
The bus you see there, that bus is electronic. It's one of the mode of transport that we have here in Barbados. Yeah, I see Kenya is also trying to introduce the same, which is commendable. This is an electronic bus, one of the mode of transport that we have here in Barbados. I love these buses, they're silent, no noise, they're not emitting any sort of any fumes. Yeah. So guys, yesterday I told you Barbados has strip centers. There's another one here in Warren's business district, or Warren City, which is located in St. Michael Parish. So here's another one. They have a fast food chain as the one I showed you yesterday, Shepherd. Barbecue barn and salad bar. Yeah. So this is the minimal, which is Massy stores or Massy supermarket. And this one, compared to the one I showed you yesterday, this one they have a chunk of parking space. So this is the lateral side, yeah, and the other side was the posterior side of the minimal. Now welcome to the ventral side. I told you they have a lot of parking. See. So this is the ventral side of the minimal Massy. There's an entrance there. Yeah, this is their parking. This is the ventral side still. But if I want to become medical, I might say the anterior aspect of the minimal. These tall buildings you see here, they're banks, but they are not part of the Stripe Center. Is it strip or stripe? I guess it's strip, not stripe. Wow, this view is actually beautiful. Look at this. So they have the strip mall, which is called Dome Mall. Yeah, I think it's part of a Massy complex still. Dome Mall. And these are the services they offer here. Yeah, there's a drive-through here, and I can see there's a sign pointing Burger King. So there's a drive-through here. There's also a barber shop. I don't know if you can see the word grooming. The grooming, that's the barber shop. They have a restaurant here where people come and eat. So this is the strip mall, or is it a strip mall? Can you help me with the correct pronunciation of the word? Is it strip or strip? So this is the strip mall, the mall. Yeah. There's another drive-through here, and I think that's an ATM. Yeah. To CIBC, First Caribbean Bank. And lastly, they have a bank, First Caribbean Bank. So all of this complex is a bank. So this is Warren City. Yeah. And this First Caribbean Bank still. There's Mercy Complex, which is also the Dome Mall. And I think that's the end of the strip center here in Warrens. Before I go, there's a chicken bun. Yeah. This used to be my barber shop, but I found a new barber so and no longer go there. So that is it. I showed you the Warrens strip center. You can see it from the background.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your
And convenient too. There it goes. I think it's headed to Christchurch if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's headed to Christchurch. This is Warrens. Hands down is the most beautiful city in Barbados. Yeah. This is the most beautiful city in Barbados, hands down. It's called Warrens City. I don't know what normally goes in that gigantic building. So huge. So here, I think they sell gold here. They're saying we buy gold, we sell vape. I want to see if I can find the second-hand charger head from here. This video was supposed to be about the strip center. Now I'm ending up showing you the whole Warrens. The place is beautiful, that's why I can't hesitate showing you around. I mean, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? This is Warrens, the most beautiful city in Barbados. That's my opinion though. I don't know which city in Barbados do you consider to be the most beautiful. For me, Warrens. This is a Republic Bank. I think there's a drive-through for the ATM. I don't know the name to that building. This is a public bus, public transport. That's KFC. And this is a Scotia Bank. Who's gonna show you beautiful Barbados when I'm gone? That is Shepherds once more. which means we are about to get done. Let me cross. Caution. Clearance 90. So this is a drive-through. You drive with your car here, go order your food there. And they have beautiful benches here where people can relax as they wait to be served. As you can see there, chef it. Yep, barbecue barn, and from the horizon there's a Baobab Tower. Need to cross to the other side. So that is it. And this beautiful roundabout. Yep. So I have a whole video of Warren's business district, Warren City coming up in a few. You know, I have many videos that I have to edit, so just bear with me. I might promise you to drop the video and it might take so long because I'm also busy doing other stuffs. So very soon I'll drop that video. Who's gonna show you beautiful Barbados when I'm gone? I'm sorry for my poor vocal skills, but who's gonna show you the beautiful Barbados when I'm gone? So subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it, and invite everyone to come and experience Barbados through my lens. Yeah, I'm not asking for too much. Just please subscribe, like the video, share the video. There's no better way that you can support me. I'm in love with you. Okay, because I'm doing Warrens, let me just do everything. I don't want to give you small pieces. Yeah, let me just do the whole thing, get the whole experience. And I'm doing a portrait. I thought I will do a shot now. I'm doing a whole video. Anyway, but I know I have many videos that are landscape. You won't mind the portrait, right? Oh, that's Warrens for you guys. It's a beautiful place, so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna be rained on. See, the sky is very gloomy, not friendly at all. Please, rain, give me a chance to show people around. Please be mindful of me. Don't rain on me. Come on, let it rain over me. Oi, oi, oi. Look at that. Oh, this place is so beautiful. This place is so beautiful. Are you feeling this place? Are you yearning to be here? Look at that. What a beauty. Anyway, it's gonna rain. Let me hurry up and reach home before I get soaked. And I have a small umbrella here. I don't know if it can cover me from the rain. Hey. From the skies you can see they are very angry. They are yearning to pour down like something else. Because it's just recent that we experienced fast rains, heavy rains I mean, since the year began. So it's been dry for too long. Anyway, I'm glad that it's gonna rain. And I'll be lying to you if I tell you that I don't enjoy this kind of weather. This kind of weather is my favorite. Anyway, bye bye guys, and let me meet you in the next one. Bye. Next year's gonna be better than this year. Next year's gonna be better than this year. I think I wasn't done showing you around. Oh, it's raining and drizzling. I finally found myself at the bus stop after being rained on, man. See, I've been rained on so bad. Rain, rain, go away. How is the normally song? Yeah, this is St. Thomas. We are no longer in Warrens. And that there is a collection of residential houses.